Hey there, welcome to the channel where we explore how to fuel your body for a healthier, more vibrant life. Today, we're diving deep into the topic of proper nutrition and how the food you eat directly affects your physical health and your mental clarity. Ready? Let's get started. First off, let's talk about what we should eliminate from our diets. Many unhealthy foods, like processed meats and fatty fast foods, can increase inflammation, drain your energy, and even negatively impact your mood and memory. Meat, when consumed excessively, can lead to issues like cardiovascular problems and gut imbalances. We need to be mindful of what we put into our bodies, because every bite counts. So, what should we replace unhealthy choices with? The answer is simple: fruits, vegetables, nuts, grains, and legumes. These plant-based powerhouses are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants that nourish your body and promote a thriving mind. For instance, dark leafy greens like spinach are rich in folate, which supports brain health. Walnuts, nature's brain-shaped nut, contain omega-3s that are known to enhance cognitive function. And berries? Oh, they're loaded with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and keep your mind sharp. Imagine this smoothie: a blend of blueberries, bananas, spinach, almond milk, and chia seeds. It's not just breakfast, it's brain food. When we include diverse fruits and veggies in our diet, we're creating a synergy of nutrients that strengthens both body and mind. Good nutrition doesn't just make you feel better physically, it also plays a key role in proper brain function. Research shows that diets rich in whole foods, especially those that eliminate processed junk and emphasize plants, improve memory, focus, and mood stability. And here's the exciting part: by eating well today, you're investing in a healthier brain for years to come. So here's the takeaway: swap out unhealthy options for nutrient-packed fruits, vegetables, nuts, and grains. By fueling your body with clean, wholesome foods, you're not just creating a healthier you, you're unlocking the power of your mind. Let's make every meal an opportunity to thrive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and join me next time for more tips on living your best, healthiest life. And remember, your health, your choice, so make it count.